Mike's been muted the entire time. Aura. Okay, we got a bullish fair value gap here. This is, I guess, welcome to day 9. Day 10 of the 501,000 challenge. Right now we are looking for a short. At this moment we've kind of relatively equal lows here. Followed by a decent area of consolidation. I could look for a good enter here. Okay. I could enter short very soon here. Just gonna wait. We could break this because of how we just kind of let this structure a little bit. We could break this, but we could reverse this. We can close above. I actually don't even want to do a long, not gonna lie. Because this could have been a short opportunity held into this rejection block. So okay, I'll see. If we close above this bullshit Mr. Right, then we'll see. Then we did hit this rejection. So if we stay above in those 13 seconds, so if we're like ending, I think I want a short here. I think I do. I need a fix. I think I do want a short here. This is maybe like a 5-minute fair value. No, I'm beat up. Oh. So we tapped in this, but we're like rejecting. We kind of tapped this EMI. I need a fix. I need a fix. We'll see what we do in a second. I need a fix. This is such a hard decision. Because I could buy here, we could just retrace and push right back down, but as well as if we break out of this, on the buy and we wait for retrace, like we could hit longs up to like good amounts here, like because really if we had a long, we're like okay, TP up. Like that's a good trade over the span of like an hour and a half. I need a fix. I need a fix. So we pull back into this arse, but the thing is, like, I don't know what we want to do. I think, like, think a buy isn't in my greatest interest because we're flipping. Fact is, if I wanted to, right? As well as I could just target here, or target here, or do, okay, we're gonna short, I think. I think we're gonna short this bitch, bud. Let's go. I think we should short this bitch. I'm gonna wait a second. But like we might flip though. I don't know if I should even find a trade right now. Because with the limited amount of time I have 9 minutes to place trade. Or I gotta go back to work. Okay. We might be breaking. Because if we did long, like, I feel this could just be a liquidity grab. Or this is like a short manipulation. I think this is manipulation. I think people might have entered following. We're just gonna risk it. We broke. We're gonna wait for this retest. Oh. Damn, bro. Okay. See what we do here. I'm gonna run tight stop losses just because I know that we could so flip, and I don't mind that. Just because this candle hasn't even closed yet. basically only need to. Here's 0.06 to close here. Stops pretty much break even right now. And we're gonna full TP here. So that's the trade. I don't want to move break even too early, to be completely honest. Wait a sec. That's. I'm gonna search up if people win longs or not. Shit, this guy's down 7k because we're. See, we out trade everybody though. People take too much time, bruh. That's red, bruh. Ryan. NQJ Beasley. Stop loss at 62k. He's 100% paper trader. Yeah, he's paper trader. I was like, a regular ass kid has a 62k stop loss. So we broke our structure right retest. But the thing is, like, I don't mind. Not gonna move stops break even. Yep, I'm gonna move stops to bottom wick. Bottom body candle, sorry. High rejection there. Alrighty. That's sick. Gotta go, boys. That's a good trade though. Like, I think this should work out in our favor. I'll give an update later on when I can. More screenshots and videos. I feel like this trade should work out though. That guy probably has so much hope. This high rejection candle. I think it's gonna work out for him. As long as we close above this, at least on these indexes. Probably not. Okay, we'll close in there, sure, fine. I could partial quickly take profits and then use that for stop loss, but I don't mind. Yeah, we're 35 fucking risk reward. Yeah, like. Alrighty. Guess we'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Yo. So I get one tick stopped out. Would have hit my sell limit for like $7. Then we bang down to relative equal lows. Would have stopped me out again. Yo, this is crazy ass manipulation, bro. But the thing I just realized is that we're making a head and shoulders pattern. Anyone knows anything about head and shoulders? Shit. I messed it up. Here's our neckline. Right? Go to limit. We are 120% in shorts. So Asia session, I'm looking for shorts to knock out these lows. They don't do it like me, bro. They don't do it like me. Alright, we're entering a fucking long. Or a short. I don't give a fuck. So we already hit an inverse for value.
we're selling 12. We're gonna short this. I'm gonna have room for a retrace. Stops above here. We are going to pull down into this fair value. But I think I'm gonna let this bitch ride. Only because we have lots of potential here. We have actually a lot of potential. So yeah, we're just gonna set that down there.